Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. I have the July Silver Swag box for you. It is a monthly curated subscription box for seniors in your life. However, I've been opening this box for a little while now, and the items that we receive are not just for seniors. They'd be perfect for yourself or actually anybody that you care about. So here is July. Oops. It says, "Hello, July. I have not even looked at the contents, so let's dig right in. I do want to let you know that I have a code Jane15, which will get you $15 off of your first box, and that code is expiring at the end of July. They're starting a new affiliate program, new codes, and I probably won't be unboxing this as often as I have been. They're revamping their affiliate program, so this is either my last box or I'll have some boxes in the future to unbox. We'll see what happens. So here are the cards. We have 6 items this month. It says, "Thanks for being a part of Silver Swag Box." And the card actually tells you about each item. I will leave a link with the Jane15 code and the Silver Swag code down below in the description box. There are different plans you can buy. I believe the price might be also going up in August as well. So take a look at the links, and if you want to buy, this month, I think this box is still available. I'm not positive. They always give conversation questions. This box is called Pardon My French. It deals with vacationing to France and Paris and stuff like that. So some of the questions that they want you to engage with that senior in your life is, what is the most interesting place you have ever been? Do you prefer to plan a detail of a trip, or you're a more on the go flow type person, like off the seat of your pants? What is one place you always wanted to visit? I have a lot. I want to go to Greece. I want to go to the Philippines and Thailand. And really, let's just get into the box, because we're not here to hear where Lisa wants to go. So the first item we have is by Viv and Lou. It is a circular bag. I know what it is because I've seen spoilers. This is a jewelry organizer, and I'm going to be very honest with you. I'm not crazy about this. They have like little pockets on the outside perimeter that you can possibly fit a ring in, and then they have just the inside area where you can put your jewelry. I mean, the good thing about this is you zip it up and you throw it in your carry-on or your handbag, but aesthetically I don't think this is exactly pleasing. That's my opinion. It is utilitarian wise, it is very handy. So that's the first item that we got in the box. And the second item we received is a makeup mirror with LED lights. You can get one of 5 colors. I received the black one. This is actually a very cool item. It does take 2 batteries. Their size CR2032 batteries. This is what the makeup mirror looks like, and there's a little thing up top and there. I don't know if you can see the lights. I can't really see it in the camera. I don't know what I see, but it's a very nice mirror. And actually this would be good before I do a video, because I'm always checking, like, do I have food in my teeth or something? Is my hair okay? I really do like this mirror, and you can put it on a flat surface, or even put it in your carry-on or your purse. So this is great. I love this. Black is fine. It would be nice if I got in pink, but I don't care. I really don't. It's very nice. Then they always give us some kind of drink, and we got 4 Harney and Sons teas. They're Paris They're a black tea with bergamot oils. So we have 4 caffeinated teas, and I love black tea. That is my favorite. And then we also got Très Chic. We got vanilla and creme brulee candies by Candy Club. And these round things, it's unopened. They're good till March of 2024. I'm not going to open and eat on camera. I think that is quite disgusting. You don't want to see food in my mouth. I just don't do that unless I'm feeling like whatever, adventurous. But these I hear are very good and very sweet. So if you have a sweet tooth, this is for you. Then we got, I love planners and journals. We got one that says, "You had me at bonjour." It is a soft bound journal. All the pages are the same. Let me see if they have page numbers. 192 pages in here. And it's lined paper, back and front. I really do like that it's nice and soft. Has really nice graphics. And on the top here, it's January through December. And right below it, very small print, are the days of the month. So you can wait till January and start this as a planner, or you can start this, like say August is coming up. I can start this August and be ready to go in August for the next year. And you write and plan how you see fit. So this is really nice, very nice. I like it a lot, and it's really cute. And the last thing we got, The World Needs More Puzzles, and this is 200 Sudoku puzzles. And I don't know if you know, you probably don't know this about me. They go from, I'll tell you in a second, they go from easy to medium to hard to evil. I like that, evil. I am a Sudoku nut. I love Sudoku. There's been times in my life where I had to do at least one puzzle a day to like feed my Sudoku obsession. I go through stages. I was in New York last week. I had some extra time. I did Sudoku every day. But before that, I was in a dry spell. So here are 200 puzzles for the Sudoku lover. And if you don't know how to play, learn how to play. It's to me, it's a logic. Well, it is a logic game with numbers, and I just love it. So this actually is my favorite item. The journal is my second favorite. The mirror is my third. I'm gonna go with the candy and the tea, and then this makeup bag is I'm gonna give this to someone. It's just not my cup of tea, though it's very practical. So that is the July Silver Swag box. Let me know what you think about it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love a subscribe. It helps me get on that analytical train. Give me a like on the video, comment below, help a girl out, and I will see you all in the next video. I hope you're all having a good summer as well, and maybe even going to Paris. That would be perfect, but that's not happening for me. Anyway, thank you Silver Swag for sending me this box for my review, and I hope to get some more in the future. We'll see what happens with their new thing. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.